A video that I tell everybody to do is the cost of living in your city. So anybody who wants to move there, they want to know how expensive it is. So that video is actually our top producer. Gets so many views now it gets, up to 300-400 views a day. And I want to preface this, as people think of YouTube as like you need 100,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers or 10 million views. Like that is so uncommon. That's like a fraction, the smallest fraction of percent of YouTubers actually have those kind of numbers. You don't need that. We were getting business with just, double digit subscribers, hundreds of subscribers. Now, we have thousands, but when I'm talking about 100, 200, 300 views a day on just one video, think about that. Somebody typed that into their computer and found our video and clicked on it. And that's 300 people who did that. Or what YouTube does now, because we put so many videos out there and we keep people on that platform so long, it's starting to suggest our videos and put our videos out there for people to find and see. So cost of living is an incredible video. And I invite you, go to Living in Portland, Oregon. You can see all our videos, how I did
I'm
that, how I
checking you out.
structured it.
Yeah, I'm checking you out now. I'm loving the colors and everything.
Yep.
For those who are watching us, they could actually see this. For those who are listening, they can't see it. So you have big, bold letters for those who can't see well, right? No little small fonts. I'm very colorful. I'm loving everything. Oh, I love this pro tip. I love that YouTube thumbnail that you have there. And some of the titles are top 5 tips to build a YouTube channel.
Yeah,
well,
so
this is for YouTube agents. Where's the other channel I'm going to? Oops.
This is going to be the coolest thing you do. Go to your search bar and type in Living in Portland, Oregon.
Okay, hold on. Living in Portland, Oregon.
Which in Google is searched almost 3,000 times a month. In YouTube, it's searched tens of thousands of times a month. And see what comes up number 1.
I got pros and cons of living in Portland, Oregon.
Yep,
the pros
and our YouTube
and
channel.
The cons. Yep. And the YouTube channel. Oh, that video right there has 18,000 views. Well, you got this one right. Oh, how much does it cost to live in Portland, Oregon? 21,000.
So this is what I'm telling you. Now it doesn't matter. Whatever you search about Portland, Oregon, or Vancouver, Washington, which is to the north of us 15 miles, we own every search. There's no way you can't find us. My ugly mug is on all those thumbnails. That's my brand. Everybody can see me. So if they saw me last week and they liked them, now when they come back, they see I like those videos. We do crazy vlogs. We're walking the streets. We show you exactly what it's like to live there. And then we did a pros and cons video. That's actually the first video I did when I learned SEO. That is the first video. I shot it with my phone, no microphones, no nothing special. I leaned it up against a flower vase and ripped.